12th standard students, we will see part first, unit number 7, linear programming problem. In this problem, we have to construct the linear equations, that is these problems LPP. In this unit we have to construct this LPP or solve this LPP, but in this year we deleted the unit to construct the LPP. We have only in this year we have to solve this LPP. Then first, linear programming problem, that is the objective function. In this linear programming problem, objective function is z is equal to ax plus by. This objective function is to maximize or minimize of these types, two types of these objective functions, that is first maximize or second minimize, under which this objective function under which the objective function is to be optimized the constraints. This objective is under constraints. These constraints are in the form linear equations or linear inequations. These constraints are of the form linear equations or linear inequations. In some solutions we refer to as non-negativity constraints. We have to first see in objective function z, that is ax plus by of this type. Then constraints, these constraints to optimize this objective function, and there are some solutions we referred to as non-negativity restrictions. That is x and y are greater than or equal to 0, that is to non-negativity restrictions. Linear programming problem of the form as to maximize or minimize z is equal to ax plus by subject to constraints. Which constraints? a1x plus b1y is greater than or equal to 0, a2x plus b2y is less than or equal to 0. To solve this linear programming problem, there we have to use only corner point method. To example given, write down. Solve the following equations by graphical method. To solve the following linear equations by graphical method, to use corner point method. Write down. Maximize, that is objective. Maximize z is equal to 75x plus 50y. Z is equal to 75x plus 50y subject to constraints. Write down constraints. 8x plus 5y is less than or equal to 60. 4x plus 5y is less than or equal to 40, and these two are constraints. And non-negativity function x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. That is to LPP. We have solved this LPP, that is first two constraints. We know the two constraints, 8x plus 5y is less than or equal to 60 and 4x plus 5y is less than or equal to 40. These two inequations. These are two constraints are inequations. Write these inequalities or inequations, meaning is same. inequations or inequations, or these inequations of this type to equalities, that is equations form. Equality means equations form. We have to write these inequations, that is 8x plus 5y is equal to 60, equation number 1. 4x plus 5y is equal to 40, equation number 2. We have to use these two linear equations. We have to use these two linear equations and to construct the points A, B, C, D by plotting the graph. We have to solve these linear equations by graphical method, then we have to plot these points. Calculate these points. Case number 1. Put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0 in equation number 1. We have to get 5y is equal to 60, that is y is equal to 12. Therefore, we have to put a point. X is 0. We have to get y is 12, that is a point. First write x coordinate, second y, that is 0, 12. Therefore, first a point is 0, 12. Case number 2. Put y is equal to 0 in equation 1. We have to use equation 1 two times, case first and case second. Put y is equal to 0 in equation number 1, that is 8x is equal to 60, that is x is equal to 7.5. Then b point, we have to put first x coordinate, that is 7.5, and next y coordinate, y is equal to 0, that is b point will be 7.50. Case 3, we have to case 3. For this case 3, we have to use equation number 2. Case 3 and 4, we have to use equation number 2. Put first case 3, put x is equal to 0 in equation number 2. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 मध्ये आपण आता या ठिकाणी x is equal to 0 घ्यायचं. Therefore 5y is equal to 40, that is y is equal to 8. At C point, we have to write first x coordinate 0, next y coordinate we have to get 8, that is C point is 0, 8. Then case number 4, put y is equal to 0 in equation number 2, that is 4x is equal to 40, that is x is equal to 10. D point is 10, 0. For these points, for this point, we have to get 4 points A, B, C, and D. We have to plot these 4 points on the graph. Then first take x coordinate, x axis, y axis, origin O, 0, 0. The points will be A, B, C, D. We know. Then first point, we have to put A point. Which A point? 12, 0. A point which is 0, 12. That is x axis 0, y axis 12. This will be A point, 0, 12. Then B point, x axis 0, y axis, x axis 8 and y axis 0, that is 8, 0, B point. Then C point, 0, 8, 0, 8 and D point 12, 10, 0, D point 10, 0. Then we have to join the points A, B and C, D. A, B, we have to take line. A, B is which equation? 8x plus 5y is equal to 60. And CD line, we have to join C and D points. We have to join, आता या ठिकाणी पहा आपण A आणि B आणि C आणि D जॉईन करायचे, कारण की A, B जे दोन पॉइंट आहेत ते कशाचे आहेत? इक्वेशन नंबर 1 चे. त्यामुळे A आणि B पॉइंट जोडायचे. आणि C आणि D हे पॉइंट कशाचे आहेत? इक्वेशन नंबर 2 चे. त्यामुळे C आणि D पॉइंट, A ला D जोडायचा नाही, B ला A जोडायचा नाही, लक्षात ठेवा. त्यामुळे A, B आणि C, D असेच पॉइंट जोडायचे. जे इक्वेशनचे पॉइंट आहेत तेच पॉइंट व्यवस्थित जोडायचे. त्यामुळे आपल्याला ग्राफ भेटेल. पाहता, we have to join A, B and C, D. We have to get two lines first line is 8x plus 5y is equal to 60 and second line is 4x plus 5y is equal to 40. For these two lines we have to get point of intersection of these two lines is P. Point of intersection of these 2 points is P. Then we have to see the feasible region. आता या ठिकाणी सॅडेड रिजन किंवा फिजिबल रिजन कोणता आहे हा काढायचा. आपले इक्वेशन्स कसे आहेत पहा. 8x plus 5y we have to take maximum value that is less than or equal to 60. इक्वेशन्स लक्षात घ्या. ऑप्टिमम सोल्युशन जे आहे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन कसं आहे ते पहा. z इज इक्वल टू 75x प्लस 50y याप्रमाणे आपलं ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन आहे. त्यानंतर कन्स्टन्स दिलेत 8x प्लस 5y इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 60. 4x प्लस 5y इज लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू 40. दॅट इज वे आउट टू गिव्हन फिजिबल रिजन. या ठिकाणी महत्वाचा जो आहे तो फिजिबल रिजन आहे. त्याच्याशिवाय आपल्याला ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शनची झेडची मॅक्झिमम व्हॅल्यू काढता येत नाही. त्यामुळे फिजिबल रिजन पहा. ओ बी पी सी ओ. आपला फिजिबल रिजन काय होत पहा. ओ बी पी सी ओ. that is we have to shaded this region and the point touch of this feasible region or shaded region or points or vertices are O, B, P, C. For these points we have to calculate the function objective value of the objective function. Then to calculate the point P is the intersection of the two lines. First line 8x plus 5y is equal to 60 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 40. For these two linear equations we have to get point P, that is 8x plus 5y is equal to 60, 4x plus 5y is equal to 40. Take subtraction, minus minus minus, right? We have to change signs of these equations. Then plus 5y minus 5y will be cancelled. 8x minus 4x remaining is 4x is equal to 60 minus 40 is 20. X is equal to 5. We have to solve these linear equations. We have to get x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 4. We have to put x is equal to 5 in equation number 1. We have to get y is equal to 4. Therefore the coordinates of the point of intersection P of these two lines is 5, 4. Then we have to get point P of feasible region O, B, P, C. The next will be to calculate the maximum value of the objective function Z. Next remaining point is our answer. The maximum value of the objective function Z at point. Which point? This feasible region is touch of this point or vertices of the feasible region are O00, that is origin. Next B. Which point B? 80. P. We have to calculate P point. 5, 4 and C point 08 will be Z at point O00. That is objective function we have to given 75x plus 50y. In this which point O00, that is origin. Therefore x0 and y0. Then we have to put these values of x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 on the objective function. Z is equal to 75 into 0 plus 50 into 0 is give 0. Next point Z at point B 80. At point B 80. In this point x is 8 and y is 0. First coordinate is x and second coordinate is y. Therefore objective function 75 into x, that is the value of x is 8 plus 50 into 0, that is the value of y, that is coordinate, second coordinate, y coordinate, is equal to 75 into 8 plus 50 into 0 is 600. Next point P, 5 4, therefore 75 into 5 plus 50 into 4 is 375 plus 200 is 575. Then point C, Z at point C is 08, that is 75 into 0 plus 50 into 8, that is 400. Therefore the objective function has maximum value. आपल्याला ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन दिलेलं आहे 75x plus z is equal to 75x plus 50y. Therefore the objective function has maximum value. किती आलेले व्हॅल्यू? फर्स्ट व्हॅल्यू is 0, second value 600, third value is 575 and fourth value is 400. Therefore maximum value is 600 at point, which point? B80. That is your answer. आपण काय केले पहा एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपल्याला टू सॉल्व द एलपीपी म्हणजे ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह फंक्शन दिलेलं आहे 75x प्लस 50y, कॉन्स्टंट दिले 8x प्लस 5y is less than or equal to 60, 4x plus 5y is less than or equal to 40. These are constraints and non-negativity functions दिलेले आहेत. X is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. तेव्हा आपण we have to calculate 4 points A, B, C, D, and these points are plot on the graph. Then there are two lines A, B, and C, D. Therefore, intersection of these two lines is P. We have to calculate point P for the linear equations. Which linear equations? These two lines equations 8x plus 5y is equal to 60 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 40. या दोन इक्वेशन्स वरून आपण P पॉइंट काढलेला आहे. त्यानंतर P पॉइंट काढल्यानंतर काय केलं पहा आपण फिजिबल रिजन दाखवलेला आहे पहा ग्राफ मध्ये. फिजिबल रिजन कसा इक्वेशन्स कसे आहेत लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू, जर लेस दॅन ऑर इक्वल टू असतील तर टू दिस साइड ऑफ origin this feasible region to draw, that is OBPCO is the feasible region, and this feasible region the vertices of the points of the touch point of the shaded region is OBCP are the vertices. Therefore we have to calculate the maximum value of the objective function z is first O00 is 0, त्यानंतर second point B80 is 600, point P is 575 and point C is 400. Therefore the maximum value या चार व्हॅल्यू आलेत आपल्याला 0, 600, 575 and 400. यापेक्षा मॅक्झिमम कुठले आहे? 600 आहे. कुठल्या पॉइंटला आहे? B80 ला. Therefore the maximum value of the objective function z is equal to 600 at point B80 is your answer. Of this type we have to solve next example. Of this type we have to solve next example to minimize z is equal to 5x plus 2y subject to the constraints 3x plus 5y is greater than or equal to 15 and 5x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 0. Non-negativity functions x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to solve this at home.